I don't think that I'm doing that, but I just need to be sure.
Stop breathing so loud.
A decision like this really needs to be thought through carefully. You can't just undo.
Daddy, what are we gonna do?
Don't worry about it. I've got a plan.
Can I help?
Now you stay here. Make sure everything's all right. I'll take care of everything.